Claim. Did Amit Shah speak about Sardar Patel's role in 1960 talks on Indus water? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media.
1960 में सरदार पटेल ने विरोध किया था, गाड़ी लेकर आकाशवाणी तक गए थे, घोषणा न करते दरवाजे बंद कर दिए। मान्यवर 1960 में सरदार पटेल ने विरोध किया था, गाड़ी लेकर आकाशवाणी तक गए थे, घोषणा न करते दरवाजे बंद कर दिए।
सुप्रिया श्रीनेत took to X and posted, सरदार पटेल जी का निधन 1950 में ही हो गया था, तो फिर 1960 में सरदार पटेल जी ने विरोध कैसे किया? अमित शाह जी आज अपने ही लिखे WhatsApp फॉरवर्ड पढ़ रहे थे। Other users have also shared similar posts, like the ex-user Alok Sharma who says that Amit Shah's lie has been caught. Find the post here.
1960 में सरदार पटेल ने विरोध किया था, गाड़ी लेकर आकाशवाणी तक गए थे, घोषणा न करते दरवाजे बंद कर दिए।
Fact check. Truth, misrepresentation. Amit Shah was not referring to Sardar Patel's involvement in 1960 but was referring to Patel's role in the First Indo-Pakistan War of 1948, followed by a separate reference to the Indus water talks of 1960. As he was interrupted by a member, it gives an impression that Amit Shah claimed Sardar Patel protested in 1960. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate this claim and watched the speech by Home Minister Amit Shah. We discovered that the claim was not true and a false impression had been created due to the interjection by the opposition's question during the speech.
मान्यवर 1960 में सरदार पटेल ने विरोध किया था, गाड़ी लेकर आकाशवाणी तक गए थे, घोषणा न करते दरवाजे बंद कर दिए। मान्यवर 1960 में सिंधु जल पर भौगोलिक व रणनीतिक रूप से हम बड़े मजबूत थे और उन्होंने सिंधु समझौता क्या किया? 80% भारत का पानी पाकिस्तान को दे दिया।
There was commotion in the house but Amit Shah continues to speak looking at a paper saying in 1960. And a member from the opposition interrupts him, stating that Sardar Patel also protested, referring to the 1948 matter. To this Amit Shah responds, Sardar Patel took his car and went to Akashvani, refused to make the announcement and closed the doors. Then, Amit Shah continues his speech on the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, accusing Nehru for giving away 80% of India's water to Pakistan. This response is being taken out of context in the claim and portrayed as if Amit Shah was speaking about Sardar Patel protesting in 1960, which is an extrapolation, but not true. He was referring to the role of Patel in 1948 and not during the Indus Water Treaty in 1960s since Patel had passed away in 1950. The video in the claim is taken out of context and hence, inaccurate. Claim. A viral clip of Home Minister Amit Shah claims Sardar Patel protested in 1960 during the Indus water talks, though he died in 1950. Conclusion, misrepresentation. Amit Shah was not referring to Sardar Patel's involvement in 1960 but was referring to Patel's role in the First Indo-Pakistan War of 1948, followed by a separate reference to the Indus water talks of 1960. As he was interrupted by a member, it gives an impression that Amit Shah claimed Sardar Patel protested in 1960. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.